Teacher Sam here. Happy Construction Day. Isn't Good Night Construction Site one of your favorite books? It's one of mine. I really enjoy listening to that story. So today I have a counting activity for you. And it's someone that you can maybe practice with some things you already have. Teacher Sam has to use her imagination since I don't have too much going on here at my house that are toy-like. So I'm gonna pretend. So things you're gonna need for this sorting and counting activity for Good Night Construction Site. I'll need a piece of paper and maybe some scissors, some markers to write our numbers down. I went outside and collected an entire container of little tiny pebbles that I'm gonna scatter around on my floor. And do you think Teacher Sam has any toy dump trucks at her house? No, I wish I did. All the dump trucks I could have used are at the school. So instead of not having any dump trucks at my house, I'm going to pretend using these two measuring cups. And the way I'm gonna pretend is that the driver sits here and then this is the dump truck in the back. So it's scoop, drive, and dump. So I'm gonna use these as my dump trucks. So the plan of this game, your first step is that you're gonna write numbers. Maybe you're learning how to write numbers. Maybe someone in your family can help you write numbers. Or maybe you're getting old enough and you've been practicing since you've been at home. So when I start this game, I'm gonna write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You could count all the way up to 10. You could make number cards all the way up to 20. If you wanted to get exciting, you can do it by 10s or by 5s. There are so many ways to do this game. So my first step is I'm gonna write numbers on pieces of paper and then I'm gonna cut them out. So I'm gonna show you now. Alrighty, so I have my paper and my rocks are here and I have my markers. So the plan of this is you're actually gonna be folding the numbers so they stand up. So I'll demonstrate, I'll show one. So I'm gonna use an orange color and I'm gonna write the number 1. You could draw a line. I did my number 1 where it has the top piece and then the line across the bottom. So then I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna cut it a little bit longer. So see how there's all this space at the top? So then I'm gonna take my fingers and I'm gonna fold it over. That way my number 1 can stand like this. So there's my number 1 and now it gets to stand up like that. So now I'm gonna repeat that for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm gonna choose a different color for each one. So 2, I'm gonna do green. And then I'm gonna cut. So there's my number 2. Fold it in half. So now I have 2. Next I'm gonna do 3. Fold that in half. There's number 3. And I have 2 more numbers to do. I'm going to do 4. Fold it over. So there's number 4. And lastly, what number comes after 4? You're right, number 5. All right, last one. 5. So now I have all my numbers ready. I'm gonna pause so I can show you the setup. Now I set up all my cards around. So I have 1 here, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And all my rocks are now in the center. So the next step is I'm gonna drive my dump truck. I'm gonna drive it this way. dump truck has landed at the rock station. I now have to carry over 1 rock to this first sign. So I'm going to back my digger up, burp, 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 turn it around, burp, 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 and I'm going to scoop 1 rock into my dump truck. I'm going to drive it over. Beep, 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 beep. Dump. So now there is 1 rock at number 1. I'm going to drive myself back. My dump truck has landed back at the rock station. What number should we do next? I'm going to choose to do the number 3. So I'm going to back my dump truck up. And how many rocks do you think I'm going to get if we're going to the number 3? You guessed it, 3 rocks. 1, 2, 3. And now I have 3 rocks in my dump truck. Beep, 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 beep. And now there are 3 rocks at the number 3. So I'm going to finish doing this for the rest of the numbers. I only have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, but you could do cards all the way up to 10. You could do them by 20. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to keep counting. I'm going to grab 2 rocks. 1, 2. Here I go. 2 rocks there. I'm going to drive back. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 number left. Should we count all our rocks so far? We have 1, 2, which would be so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So far we have 10 rocks that have gone to the number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is how you play the dump truck counting game. Professor Pickles is here. She says hello. If you don't have any rocks, you can use beans, you could use coins, you can use anything tiny or something small that you have a lot of around your house. Maybe you have pom-poms, maybe you have something else. This is a fun way to practice writing your numbers and do some counting. An extra challenge would be to go to your rocks and say, how many is 2 plus 3? And you could say, here's 2, and you could add 3 more, and this is a math problem. So you could write 2 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 equal 5. So you could use, that could be an extra challenge, and I wonder if any of you can do those math problems. Have fun. Good night, construction site.